Hello friends, this is the third tutorial in our regular expression tutorial series, and in this tutorial we are gonna learn about what are escaped characters in regular expression. Here we have our string. Suppose we want to match .com, we'll write .com. No, we'll not write .com, because see, in previous video we have seen that dot means everything. Therefore dot will match each and every character in our string, but we want only .com to be matched. If we write .com, this is getting matched, that's perfectly okay. But why this one com is getting matched? Because dot means everything, therefore it matches everything followed by a com. So in such cases we use the escaped characters. So we will escape this dot using a backslash. So here we have escaped this dot. So previously the dot had a special meaning, but now after escaping it, it is just an ordinary symbol which is to be matched in our string. So I think you may have understood what is escaped character. Now let us take another example where our string is a/b/. Now we can't write like this a/b/, so it will create an error because this forward slashes represent start and ending of a regular expression. Our expression will definitely get confused from where to start and where to end. Therefore we escape this forward slashes using a backslash, and here also a backslash. So these are now escaped characters, which means they have become ordinary symbols, and this is now having no error, and our string is also matched. So this is it for this video, and in our next video we'll talk about groups and references. Thank you.